Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best inflatable water slides that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blast Zone Pirate Inflatable Combo. The inflatable water park option, which we will discuss now, is the most elaborate one on our list up until yet. It is 8 feet in height. It can easily accommodate 5 children. There is also a blower motor included. In addition to that, there are 2 splashers. There is a large splash pool at the bottom. It can inflate in a shorter period of time. As a result, you will not have to wait more than 2 minutes in order to fully inflate it. When deflated, it can easily be rolled into the size of a sleeping bag. All in all, it is one of the best options owing to the large area over in which it is spread. Ahoy me hearties! ARRRRGHE ready for high seas action in the Pirates Bay inflatable pirate ship? Captain the Pirates Bay as she splashes her way through the land of fun shine. Only the most daring buccaneers will venture through the starboard crawl tunnel into the portside bouncer. Go ahead, hop away willies, but when ye be done prepare for more pirate fun. Will ye make way through the splash lagoon, or will ye stay and play the day away? If ye get to the bow, take command of one of the Pirate Bay's dual water cannons and drench scalawags, and unsuspecting mateys as they splash, slide, crawl and bounce. But don't ye be squirting Pops or Fido. Only kids can play in this cool playland. For the bravest of ye scoundrels, ascend to the top of the pirate slide to face the spray cannons, and then escape down the rapids back into the splashing, spraying, bouncing, crawling, squirting, and sliding action. For ye parents of young buccaneers, the Pirates Bay combines the best features of a durable inflatable water park, in a portable, lightweight design. Your kids are guaranteed to have fun splashing in the sun with the Pirate Bay's integrated water slide, dual water cannons, crawl tunnel, bouncer and oversized splash pool. Built-in flow restriction helps minimize water wastage, while reinforced stress areas assure a long life for this play-worthy vessel. The Pirates Bay inflatable water park sets up in mere minutes, and will stow away in no time. Includes inflatable park, fan, carrying, storage case or cinch straps. Style varies depending on size, model, sprayer assembly, stakes and more. INF Pirate Bay features, material, Oxford, PVC, hop away willies, but when ye be done prepare for more pirate fun, fun pirate theme, ground stakes, UL blower with 25 feet cord and GFCI, oversized splash area. Included sprayer assembly with flow regulator. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the little Tyke Slam and Curve Slide. With a climbing wall and the slide to come down, you have each and everything which you might be looking for an inflatable water park. Moreover, it consists of a splash pool at the bottom which has a larger area. As a result, children will be able to sit in the splash pool quite easily. There is also a basketball hoop over the splash pool. As a result, children will be able to play quite easily. With heavy-duty blower motor, you can be sure that the airflow will always be consistent. The slide is slightly slippery, which ensures that there is the proper movement when children are using the slide. The puncture-resistant material ensures that you do not have to worry about high maintenance. Thus, when you look into the properties of this inflatable water park, you will realize that it is actually one of the best options which you can go with. At number 3, we have the Blast Zone Tropical Splash Compact Backyard Water Slide. If you're just looking for an inflatable water slide which occupies less space but provides proper sliding length to the kids, this is the perfect option. It can handle the weight of up to 75 pounds. Moreover, at the highest point, it is 5.5 feet. It also consists of a small splash pool at the bottom. As a result, you will not only be able to get a proper water slide, but it comes along with a splash pool as well. If you have less space in your backyard and want a smaller inflatable, you should definitely go with this option. Tropical splash features: tropical splash water slide, lightweight durable design, UL blower with GFCI, carrying, storage case or cinch straps, style varies depending on size, model. Ages 3. Dimensions: -66 hx 150 wx 66 d, 30 pounds. Collection: Blast Zone Collection. At number 2, we have the Little Tykes inflatable slide. This water park does not just include a water slide, but it is more of an inflatable water bouncer. There is also a climbing wall and 2 slides. At the bottom, you will find a splash pool. All in all, it is one of the perfect options for you if you're looking for an inflatable which can handle the larger weight and provide more options for fun activities. It can easily handle the weight of 350 pounds. As a result, you can be sure that multiple kids can occupy it at the same point in time. Moreover, there is a dump bucket at the top. As a result, the entire inflatable will always remain wet. There is also island area for just sitting. It is actually a perfect package when you're looking for an inflatable water park. And finally, at number 1, we have the Banzai Spring and Summer Toys Banzai Slide. With the height of nearly 8 feet, you can be sure that this is the perfect choice of inflatable water slide which you can buy. Also, it comes along with the blower motor. As a result, you can be sure that the sprinkler will always work. Moreover, it has a splash pool at the bottom. This ensures a soft landing from the water slide. It consists of a go-through tunnel which is cushioned. In addition to that, there are 2 water bags which lend high stability to the entire inflatable setup. All in all, it is a very good option for you when you're looking for an inflatable water park. Good vibes happen on the tides, so round up the kiddos and get them ready to ride the Banzai inflatable slide and soak splash park. The side climbing wall is the first adventure before riding the big wave and then splashing into the safe and cushioned landing pad at the bottom. The curved slide features an overhanging wave and a water spraying hose for a smooth and slippery ride. It's for kids from ages 5 to 12 and holds up to 120 pounds each. Your little ones will chill out, hang loose, and slide off into the sunset each summer day with the Banzai Splash Park. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.